So first practice by lifting your left foot and then your right foot.
Okay.
When I say shift your weight, that's what I do.
So what am I doing?
Now you're following me.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm going to tell you what weight to be on.
Okay.
So here, you can be telling you left, or left, right.
Yeah. Oh!
Ah, did you feel that?
Yeah.
Alright, now I feel me going up and down.
Yeah.
Try and do that.
Try not to let your mind get involved with
No,
what
he's
you're
got it.
feeling, what
Start
his
following.
body's communicating.
Sort of.
It takes a little bit to get used to. It's not like you're trying to anticipate it, it's just like you're feeling it the same way you feel like when a guy's about to kiss you. Like when he pulls you in closer, it's the same thing.
This is weird. I've never followed before so well.
You're doing it. Takes a big difference who you're dancing with.
Oh, the other side.
There you go. You are blues dancing, lady. Excuse me more.
That's okay. Oh. I can't even watch.
Nope, I have my eyes closed, quite honestly. Alright, we're gonna turn. Are you ready for this?
I don't know.
You can do it.
Oh.
I would usually go back.
Oh, you got it. Yeah.
Do I go? Oh, I'm the girl.
And then can you move your hips?
A little bit.
Go ahead and move
You're
mine.
doing it. There you go. Your body knows more than your mind does.
Holy. I'm impressed.
So you don't believe in me.
See? You can dance.
Do you guys like have like a routine that you do or?
No, absolutely not.
Really? It's all spontaneous?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's all him leading and me following.
So you communicate through hand signals?
Through pressure. The same way like a dressage horse is led through, like, rather than yanking on the reins, it's just by subtle changes in the way like somebody's riding it. It's all about the pressure, the way their hands are, the way he's pulling you in, what he's moving with
And
his
not
body.
to toot my own horn or anything, but I also feel how you move, and most people move consistently.
Right.
So I learn kind of what I do, which makes her do things, and then from that I can do a lot more.
Predictable
'Cause
response
I
to
can
a
also mess her
stimuli.
up, which actually makes her do what I want her to do.
Let's check out the feet.
That's no problem.
The feet are not
I'm amazed.
complex.
Seriously?
You're following. I can do
You're
whatever I
doing
want.
great. It's definitely not a lot to the feet.
How do we do this?
Don't think about it. You're just doing it. You just walk wherever you're going.
How do I do this?
You're doing it. Like I said, your body knows far more than your brain does. Don't let your brain jump in. It's going to tell you that you can't do it. But you are.